Connected to the network but no internet?
No! Relax. Hit refresh.
And restarting your router takes forever? Let's try and fix it without the reboot. Launch the command prompt and type ipconfig. Full disclosure, there could be a few things messing with your connection, and yeah, you might still end up restarting that router. But hey, at least you'll learn something useful in the process. ipconfig shows your PC's network settings like your device's IP address, subnet mask, and gateway, plus all active network adapters, including the ones used by virtual machines. How do you know if you're having an IP issue? When looking at the ipconfig command output, if you don't see an IP address next to your default gateway, or if you have an IPv4 address that starts with 169.254, also known as a self-assigned IP, which comes from APIPA, automatic private IP addressing, which happens when your PC can't reach a DHCP server. To fix this IP issue, we're going to run two commands. The first, ipconfig /release. This command tells your computer to drop or release its current IP address by sending a DHCP release message to the DHCP server, if reachable. This action unbinds the IP from the network adapter. Once you do this, you might see 0.0.0.0 or no address afterward. The second command will be ipconfig /renew. This forces your device to get a fresh IP address by sending a DHCP discover message to look for available DHCP servers. If a DHCP server responds, your PC sends a DHCP request for a new IP. The server replies with DHCP ACK, assigning an IP address, a subnet mask, default gateway, DNS, etc. Now, sometimes you will receive the same IP address, and that's fine. If it's a normal IP, it could be due to lease binding to specific MAC addresses, a limited IP pool, or your IP lease has not yet expired. However, if you receive the self-assigned address, then it might be the router, the DNS, or something else entirely. But now you've ruled out your device as the issue. But like I mentioned at the beginning, at the end of the day, just like in IT, sometimes you really do just need to restart your device.